Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve the question on less than 500 rating, which is right there. Okay, so if you want a party, if you want a party, then put your hands up. Chef wants to host a party with a total number of n people. However, the party has capacity of x people. Find whether chef can host the party or not. You just have to check that whether he can able to host the party or not. So the first integer t will give a number of test cases, and x and n and x is the number of people and the capacity is 5. So you just have to check whether it able to host or not. So here is given a x. So here is given a nx. Okay, so n is the number of people and the capacity. Okay, if 2 and 5, so the capacity of 5 and the total number of people is 2, so yeah, this can hold it. Okay, and if 3 and then 6, yeah, this can hold it. You just have to check if x is greater than n or not. If it is greater than n, then you just have to print yes, and if it is not, then you just have to print no. Okay, so I hope you understand the basic understanding of this code. Okay, so here is given a 6 so yeah, the number of people is 6 and the capacity is 6, so yeah, he can host the party. So let's do the int t, which is the number of test cases, and cnt. Okay, and the cnt, and then while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to do int x and n, and then you just have to do cnx cnn. Okay, and then you just have to check if n is greater than or equals to x. If it is greater than or equals to x, then you just have to do cout yes. Okay, and else you just have to do cout and n. Okay, cout no and n. So let's run this code. Yeah, this code has worked fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. The code has been accepted. Thanks for watching.